So, I became the assistant dean for I think also the chair of the art department. My colleague, my beautiful colleague. Thank you very much. I'm so happy to be able to attend here for the
Isang mapagpalang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I prefer to be standing while I introduce myself. After all, I'm only 86 years old. I am Estrella de Leon. I belong to the defunct Social Sciences Department. I'm very happy to be home again here and to meet all of you. Many of you have been my former students also. I started teaching in College of Science in 1969. I taught for 30 years. 30 years. I opted for early retirement in 1998 because my husband was sick and I had to care for him. I became assistant registrar at this university. I became faculty secretary of the Atlantic School from 1976 up to 1979. And assistant registrar at the university from 1987 to 1995. This morning, before I came here, I passed by the chapel. I had a mass offer, Thanksgiving Mass, for the many graces I received here in your state, and for being a part of this university. I came from the College of Philosophy and Letters, now AB. PLEX, we were called PLEX then. That's why I taught philosophy in the College of Science, Logic, and Ethics. Thank you. I'm very happy to be with you this afternoon.
Good afternoon. I am Mrs. Corinne Gregorio, Department of Psychology. I started 1971, but I think I started being a part-timer 1976 or 77 because I was accepted as a human resource management officer at the Philippine International Convention Center. And then I learned as a full-time faculty again after PICC offered a certain benefit. So I went back and started being a full-time professor again at the Department of Psychology. And then I retired, I think, 1996 or 97. I forgot already. But now, I'm 83. Will be 83 this month. I'm still driving.
Papastor si Sir. Si Jojo Castillo po ng Biological Sciences. Mas grabe ko lang. Yeah. Tama po si Ma'am Dinar, it's more fun in UST. Sayang nalaman ko lang agad, hindi lang 19 years ako dito. Sayang yung 23 years ko sa kabila. Anyway, I'm happy to be here again. Thank you very much.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Una-una po, nagsimula po ako sa College of Nursing 1984. So actually, this school year is my 41st year in the university. Po, pero hindi ko po doon ako meet si Sir Norman. Pero kita na po kami before that.
umiyak. Kasi po, binigyan ko kami ng pagkakataon na magkaroon po uli ng bahay. Mga kaibigan, mga kapatid. Kasi po, nung tinanggal po kami sa mga college, yun na po, para po kami mga laman na earthball. Hindi ko alam kung saan itatransfer. Thank you so much, especially to the brothers for supporting us. Thank you.
Magandang harian po. Ako po si Edita Ocampo. Bagamat nag-retire na po ako ng 2022, naranasan ko pa rin po yung pandemic na pure online. So sabi ko, malapit na ako mag-retire pero talagang nag-aral mabuti alang-alang sa ating mga estudyante. So ang tinuro ko po sa College of Science is Science, Technology, and Society. So, doon po, mas marami po, at sabi nga ni Ma'am Bing, marami kami naging kaibigan. Kasi talagang buong puso kami tinanggap ni Nadine. From nursing, 35 years po ako doon. Naging officer din ng union. And at the same time, nung dumating po kami sa College of Science, talagang wholeheartedly tinanggap po kami ng buong college. So, napakasaya po namin na kami po ay hindi itinuring na parang bagong salta, kundi dating kaibigan. So maraming salamat po ulit at naimbitahan kami ngayon na kahit 4 years nang retired, nandito pa po kami ngayon at sinasalubong nyo ng magagandang ngiti at yapak. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, Florence po at Ledesma. At tulad po nila, galing din ako sa Arts and Letters. Tapos nung sa TV, kami sabay-sabay ng 2016, please. Yun yung since then, hanggang ngayon, nasa science ako. Hindi naman mukhang alien sa science kasi even prior to transferring, lagi ako nasa College of Science and invite ako nila sa Recons or yung bound para i-judge yung mga poster. Taon-taon na lang. Tapos every now and then, basta may seminar all over the Philippines, lagi kaming lalagdarin natin sa Rico. Noon pa, so kaibigan ko na silang lahat. So I never felt like parang nalilibang ka sa mga tao sa science. Hindi, kasi feeling ko taga-science din ako somehow nung panahon ko. So 27 years po ako, na all in all from AU to science, na nasa UST, and I'm really thankful na nasa UST ako. Okay? Mabuti na I thank also my friends from De La Salle who brought me here kasi nangailangan sila ng faculty sa AU. But that was it, and I was happy na kailangan na dito pa ako. Maraming salamat.
And then since there, I was teaching engineering until 1992. And then from engineering, I transferred to science on the advice of Dean Bernas and Professor Ibarra. Kasi nung time na doon, tapos sila yung PhD ko, and then they were telling me, grabe, first scholarship should be teaching general chemistry, so nagkakaroon yung PhD na. So that was how I was convinced to transfer to the College of Science. Overall, in the entire University of Santa Clara, I worked for 43 years. Kaya, mahal ko ang UST, second home, at Diyos, I'm still teaching at graduate school, para mag-was and plan work. I'm allowed my research center director to supervise some students. I started teaching science in 2003. Previously, I was affiliated with Southeast
Organization, Fisheries Development Center for Sales Aquaculture Department. So it was there when I had my master's in biology, which I took in Milliman, and also the chance to do my PhD in Japan, now in the field of aquatic environmental science. Now, during the time when I transferred to College of Science, I was also teaching in the graduate school. And during that time, Dr. Papa was my first batch of students, and also Banat. So, I'm very happy to be progressing or eventually being dean of the College of Science. So, in the College of Science, I spent 16 years of teaching. But from time to time, I still teach in graduate school. This time, it's only the psychology, which I just offered once a year.
I'm Ellen Cinco. I graduated from the College of Science, BS Mathematics in a major in aquarium science. And I started teaching early 1990s after my graduation. So while I'm getting my master's degree in another university, I'm also teaching here in UST with the Department of Mathematics. I taught with major actuarial subjects for the third and fourth year students for 20 years. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Maria Victoria Lee, also a graduate of the College of Science Aquarium Math. Ellen was my classmate. In 1991, I was invited to take over a class as an instructor at that time had to leave UST. So I took over the aquarium subjects from 1991 to 1999. I am very fortunate to join the Department of Math with my former professors who have been very instrumental in shaping me as their future actually, and I was an actually. So si Ma'am Magalino, si Ma'am Del Rosario, at si Ma'am Silverio, lahat ng teachers namin. Maraming salamat.
Hello po, good afternoon everyone. My name is Maria Victoria. I'm teaching in the College of Science for 17 years now, early retiring. So I started here, I was a graduate of first batch of BS Applied Physics, my first master's. Dito na rin po ako nagtrabaho as one of the faculty, ma'am, ang coordinator po na ako. And now po, I am currently in government PH hospital and private hospital. So I would just like to thank po all the professors at Syempre si Ma'am Silverio, Ma'am Biarati, Ma'am Lenny, Ma'am Pagarino, and of course yung mga, while working po, yung department chair po namin, si Dr. Lucena, si Ma'am Benjamin. Thank you very much po. Sa ngayon po, of course, na government service, naisip ko po yung award na binibigay sa akin ng government, it's because of the College of Science. The work ethic, the culture, yung polished work na trained ako to do. So thank you very much po. And to all the deans na nabunan niyo po, Dean Papa, Dean Jano, Dean Rose, and all the deans. Thank you po.
Buhay pa ba kayo lahat? Yan, ang gusto ko marinig. Kasi ako, nakakalimutan ko lahat, pati pangalan ko, nakakalimutan ko. Hindi ko na alam. Pero tawagin niyo na lang akong Baby Castro. College, Social Sciences pala, hindi college. Social Sciences kami. Pero gusto ko lang malaman ng lahat na dito sa UST, naging masaya ako. Ma'am Ella. Okay. Si Ma'am Bagarino. Si Ma'am D.R. Ang mabait na din, Doktor, kalimutan ko. Dr. Jan. Ang sobrang bait, estudyante ko, Dr. Papa. Lahat. Pasensya na kayo. Nakakalimot ako. Kaya nakita ko si Dr. Pina. Bumalik ng Timornia ko. Mabait kasi siya. Oo. Kaya lang, masaya ako at malungkot. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan tayo lahat. Dadating pa kaya ang bukas na magkita-kita pa tayo? Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Oscar Agnes, sa mabait kong kasama sa social science. Maraming salamat po.
Hello po, ako si Sonia Beer. I am a junkie and bakit junkie? As a retiree, anong ginagawa ng retiree? Magsusort ng academic junk. Test papers, mga test thesis. Yung namang woman of door, when I first came here, si Ma'am yan, na SR na. Senior citizen na SC na pala ako. Si Ma'am... Before Ma'am Matuli. Ayun, si Ma'am Tiapalar. Kasi, so, bakit tayo lang tinawag ng woman? Tagalogin mo ang babaeng kamuluan. Anyway, so graduate ako ng BS Gen. So pagkalis ko yung university, siyempre mag-venture ka ng ibang parts. So napunta ako sa ibang university, sa kapitbahay, medyo So nag-stay ako doon, malis, napunta sa ibang bansa, nag-masters. Tapos laging bumabalik ng Pilipinas. And then lately, siguro I was 33 or 30. Sabi ko, bakit ako nag-jump from one university to the other? Babalik ako sa alumni. Pero nagpa-part-time naman ako sa UST as lecturer and sa Napol. So dahil bumabalik ako dito, kasi yung mga naging teacher ko, si Dr. Seth, si Ma'am Leon, si Ma'am Rosario, sa yung naging teacher ko. Kaya pagbalik ko ng UST, ay nandito pa sila. So, finally, nung nagsipot ako na tenure na, ito yung bahay. I am an alumni of UST, of the College of Science. Ibabalik ko sa alumni ang aking karanasan as woman of the world. Kasi pag nakikita ko ni Dr. Ganati, papasok ko ng office, ang tingin niya sa akin, part-time ako sa part-time ako sa UST, nasa Napocor ako. So, pag pumunta ako ng office, tataon na naman si Ma'am, lumalabas ng office. Kaya titignan niya ako magmula ulo hanggang paa. Bakit? Kasi naka-mini skirt, tapos naka-sleeveless, bawal yun. Bawal yun, hindi ka pwede maka-mini skirt, hindi pwede. Kaya pupunta ako doon, magpapakit ako. Kasi kung hindi, titignan na naman ako ni Ma'am, magmula ulo, pababa. So anyway, kaya nung na-poem si Ma'am Seth ng galing science, na-elite ako, oo nga, ang galing ko, kasi galing ako sa College of Science. retire na ako, I'm still a junkie and no manunod. Thank you very much. Hello, good afternoon everybody. Wow! Sarap naman pakinggan. Actually, I'm really very happy to be here. Maraming times na nag-invite si Ray na hindi ako nakakapunta because I don't know now that I've aged. It's very difficult to drive from my place. I live in the mountains, Antipolo, to here. So before I was very used to driving up to here, pero ngayon hindi ko na talaga kaya. So it's just that it so happens na my daughter is working at Makati. So I was there at 9 o'clock in the morning, just so I could just get a taxi from there to here. But I'm really very happy to see everybody. Thank you for FACS for inviting us, all the young ones, ONCD. And it really feels like home. Parang hindi pa ako nag-retire. Ganun pa rin, very warm ang reception ng lahat. So, thank you very much again. And I know that the College of Science will really do great. Ngayon pa lang nakikita ko ang dami na ninyong activities and you are being acknowledged by different institutions. So, thank you again, everybody.
Thank you very much po. Before po namin kayo pababain, quickly, acknowledge lang po namin. Ayaw po po nilang sumama sa harap kasi hindi pa naman daw sila retired. Pero they have been part of the College of Science family for a long time and are now affiliated with the different departments. So from the Department of Philosophy, Dr. Oscar Diamante, former FACS President as well, Dr. Marciana Agnes Ponsaran from the Department of Philosophy, from the Department of Filipino, Dr. Ami Castro, for the Department of English, Assistant Professor Ana Maria Gloria Mard. Ayan po sa likod, siya si ma'am. Ayan. So, ayun po. At this point, we would like